Wojak, an ordinary young man in the USA, had always been a food lover. But his eating habits were heavily inclined toward junk food. His day started with a large burger and fries and ended with pizza and soda. Whenever his friends warned him that this habit could be harmful to his health, he would laugh and say, "This is what life's all about." The beginning of the habit. Wojak's junk food addiction began during his school days. Fast and tasty food was easily accessible, and he never thought about the consequences. Gradually, this habit grew so strong that fresh vegetables, fruits, or home-cooked meals became strangers to him. His favorites came only from the windows of fast food chains. Health warnings. As time passed, Wojak started noticing a decline in his energy levels. He would get tired quickly, and his skin became dry and dull. He began to experience shortness of breath due to his weight gain. His doctor warned him that if he didn't change his habits, he would face serious health issues. The inspiration for change. One day, Wojak's best friend Mark took him to a fitness challenge event. There, Wojak saw people his age who were healthy and full of energy. He realized that he wanted to make a change in his life. Slowly, he began to modify his diet. He started incorporating vegetables and fruits into his meals and learned to stay away from junk food bit by bit. Challenges and struggles. At first, it was very difficult for Wojak. Junk food advertisements tempted him, and his old friends teased him about his efforts. But Wojak stayed focused on his goal. He took small steps, one day without soda, one day without a burger. Gradually, he noticed that his health was improving, and he was regaining his energy. A new life. A few months later, Wojak had completely transformed himself. He began eating fresh and healthy foods and incorporated regular exercise into his routine. He felt more confident and looked back at his old habits with a smile. Wojak's story became an inspiration for his friends and family. The lesson Wojak learned that the real taste of junk food only lasts for a moment.